shopping area called BC Street. So just the meat market. We're going to walk over there now. Small can, but what's 290? Notice that everything is a little bit narrower. Everything a little get into the frozen goodie department here. And that is your meat market back there. Guys are doing their thing. The guys and the gals, I guess. Fresh fish. Doesn't smell too badly in here. Some of the outdoor markets are really a treat. Pre-made something, I don't know what, that looks like gyoza or some type of a wrapped meat with garlic and vegetables. Of course, there's your favorite, spam. About small can, but what's 298 yen for probably about a 10-ounce can. Which is just about $2.50. I almost walked right past it. This is a fresh vegetables and spice section. You got fresh vegetables and spice. I don't know what they do to some of these things and what they are. But some of them are most all of them are very bitter, or have some type of additional spice on it. Onions or garlic there. That combination looks pretty good. Looks like almost a sweet kimchi. So a little bit of everything. Some cabbage, some pickled cabbage, and God only knows what that stuff is. So it's all pretty good. We get over here into the crunchy little fried fish tidbits. Of course, you notice that everything is very attractively displayed. Everything. All the personnel are extremely courteous, willing to help you spend your money. No different than any other place. Looks like Judy's lost. And here we go into the, there she is down there. We're into the coffee section. Last time we were in here, they had coffee samples. Let's see what we got in here. It's all, Japanese are coffee freaks, but it's expensive. Town here, it's really expensive, but quite a wide variety. If you want to spend the money on it, they got it. What you think of the coffee selection? Did you see any that you might like to try? None of that's, I guess all those small cans are fresh roast too, huh? Try some of that, but I didn't see any specific espressos. Did you? Let's see, how much is that Natural House, that big can down there? Comparison. Let's see, that's 1,980 yen. That's just about $10. No, that's almost $15. $15 for large can. I think you're paying about $4, $5 for it. And there is part of the bakery over here. So help yourself to maybe what appears to be a donut. Sometimes they're not as sweet. Mom, you remember some of that stuff. Good display. There's Judy doing her thing. They had a lot more freebies in here the last time. A little sample of coffee. out the little trackers, anything to attract attention. And we kind of came down here and snacked our way through these stores for lunch. Kitties, to include, of course, Formos, ice cream, which is a treat. We have a Baskin Robbins over here, and that's about it. And I'm going to... Wait a minute, Judy. Yeah, I'm going to stop now. We're going to walk back to the little mall. We're coming in right off of the main intersection there. There was the overpass that we were up on. And kind of pan here real quick to the street. Back in behind there with apartment building, you'll see it a little later. But here we are in a little indoor mall that we come to quite a bit. Prices are still expensive, but at least it's covered overhead since it's threatening to rain somewhat.
Would you explain that this is our mall?
This is our mall.
What is the mall near their house called that we like?
The Tampa Bay Mall.
Yeah. This is the Okinawa City Mall.
I'm sure you won't see too many similarities, but it winds around here. Notice that everything is a little bit narrower. Everything a little bit smaller, and still a variety of shops, a lot of activity.
The hydrangea, that's what I did a picture of.
Oh, that thing? Or the purple thing? Oh, yeah.
That you didn't like.
Well, Mom, look at all these plants. There's not a one in here that you can't grow, and grow easily.
See, that's the orchid.
Yeah, we look some orchid, and there's a prickly pumpkin, and going down this way, and I'm not going to take too much in here, but just enough maybe to give you an idea of what it's like.
These are cute.
What are they?
Yakutas.
Oh. They're midgets. Say good for those There's a little restaurant in here. Nice little place, and here's your menu. This little door, it looks like it might be an attic door, Dad. You know, a real small little cubicle. There's a banana split for just about $4.50. And a little variety of chow down there. Noodle dishes, some surprises. And we move on. This is one of Judy's favorite stores over here, a little dish and pottery shop.
Remember, Odessa and I used to go to the pottery shops.
Have a little bit of everything in here. We bought a few things. And there's another entrance out that way. And the mall continues on down there. Handy dandy bag shop. I even think that there is a A&W root beer place in there. A little bit in here for everyone. Mom, I guess you can see that little teapots, kind of teapots in there. Good selection of cooking gear. I'll walk through here to the suggests. Some of these little things.
ずれてきたらダメだよ。道具なんか触ったら割れるからね。
Okay, we're going to head down this way. I'm going to turn this off for a while and save some for later. This is another outdoor shopping area called BC Street. And, they've remodeled this. It used to be quite a mess years ago. Nice green plants everywhere. A lot of different. Did I?
Riding it like a skateboard then.
No, I didn't see her. But they got again more stores, and I don't know how people stay in business. I guess they don't have any problems. Is this the meat market? This was the other meat market in here. Little meat market that have in here. Quite a variety. Looks like the prices are all about the same. Everybody doing their thing here? Let's see. Looks like we got filet mignon. Pretty expensive. Nicely displayed. Ground beef. Pork chops. And here we go. And there's another store that's really there called Tommy China. We're going to walk over there now. And see what's in there real quick like. Again, I'm trying to watch so we don't run out of film here. And here we are. One of Judy's favorite places. One have been in here 133 times. And there she is, of course. Back there in the corner. What do you see? Think my mother would like to come in here and shop around?
I think she'd like to name it shop too.
Yeah, Tommy's China. I'll turn it off again. Wait for later. Well, here we are getting ready to. Hey, Judy. All right, ending up the day. We've got Kadena Air Base here. Get back in the car. Head on home.